Being a content creator, the most epic fail is forgetting to hit the record button. And in this video, I forgot to hit the record button on a couple of occasions while preparing this meal. So I just continued with this recorded footage that I had for making this amazing DIY bowl. And guys, look how amazing this turned out. And it tastes just as amazing. So if you're on a budget, bring Chipotle into your kitchen and experiment with the ingredients that you already have on hand. You can make some DIY bowls that will be absolutely delicious. Bon appetit!